Antioxidant property of vitamin C is of major interest as it neutralizes free radical molecules which damages cell. Vitamin C helps in strengthening body's immune system by stimulating the activity of white blood cells. Studies show that consuming more vitamin C can increase your blood antioxidant level by up to 30%. This helps the body natural defense fight inflammation. Vitamins are of two kinds: fat-soluble vitamins, water-soluble vitamin. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is one of the most important water-soluble vitamins which have been used historically to prevent or treat scurvy and other illnesses. Today, it is widely touted as a natural defense against the common cold. Vitamin C is required for the biosynthesis of the collagen, L-carnitine, certain neurotransmitters, and protein metabolism. So getting enough of this vitamin is especially important for maintaining a healthy immune system. It also plays an important role in wound healing, keeping your bones strong and enhancing brain function. Most plants and animals synthesize ascorbic acid for their own requirement. However, apes and we humans cannot synthesize ascorbic acid and hence externally required. For this reason, we need to ensure that our diets are packed with vitamin C, and luckily many fruits and vegetables out there contain adequate amount of vitamin C, so getting it is an easy job. The recommended RDA for vitamin C is 75 to 90 mg. However, recent studies suggest that in order a diet high in antioxidants may reduce the risk of many diseases, include heart disease and certain cancer. Antioxidants act to protect the cells and limit the damage by stabilizing and mopping up free radicals. Studies shows that consuming more vitamin C can increase your blood oxidant level up by 30%. This helps the body's natural defense fight inflammation. First, vitamin C helps encourage the production of WBC, white blood cells, also known as lymphocytes and phagocytes, which help protect the body against infection. Vitamin C helps these WBC function more effectively while protecting them from damage by potentially harmful molecules such as free radicals. Vitamin C is also an essential part for the skin defense system. It is actively transported to the skin, where it acts as an antioxidant and helps strengthen the skin's barrier. Studies have shown that vitamin C is essential to stimulate the immune system by increasing the strength and protection of the organism. Due to its role in reducing inflammation, it is essential for immunity and general health. Vitamin C not only protects and supports the immune system, but it also reduces the severity of allergic reactions that helps to fight off infections. So if you want to stay fit and healthy, then add more vitamin C to your diet, and that should be your priority. Well, one of the most common reasons the people take vitamin C supplement is the idea that they help prevent the common cold and flu attacks, as suggested by Linus Pauling. It lessens the nauseating effects of common cold, including inflammation and runny nose. It not only controls the allergy that causes cold, but also shortens the duration of cold symptom severity in general population, possibly due to antihistamine effect of high dose of vitamin C. Vitamin C is heart healthy. We all know this fact that diet low in saturated fats and cholesterol is good for heart. Fruits and vegetable rich diet reduces the risk of heart diseases. Diuretic property of water-soluble vitamin C removes sodium and water from body, and removal of sodium and water helps blood vessel to relax and thus help maintain low blood pressure. Low blood pressure decreases the chances of stroke and help maintain cardiovascular effects. In addition to its blood pressure lowering properties, vitamin C has been shown to reduce monocyte adherence to the endothelium, thus improve endothelium-dependent nitric oxide production and vasodilation, and reduce vascular smooth muscle cell apoptosis, which prevents plaque instability in atherosclerosis. Kidney stone make us very vulnerable at times. It is a crystal structure formed by excessive salt in urine. Most common type of stone is calcium stone. Studies have shown that people prone to stones have insufficient level of citrate in their urine. So eating citrus fruit and orange juice is recommended in those people, as citrus fruits and orange juice increases urinary citrate level and thus reduces kidney stone formation. Interestingly, several studies have shown that vitamin C may help reduce uric acid in the blood. As a result, protect against gout attacks. In gout attack, patient experience swelling and sudden severe attack of pain because of increased uric acid in blood, which crystallizes and deposit in the joints. Plasma concentration of vitamin C is lower in people who are suffering from cancer. Epidemiologic evidence suggests that higher consumption of fruits and vegetables is associated with low risk of most types of cancers. There are studies who have found a direct correlation between dietary vitamin C intake and cancers of lung, breast, colon or rectum, stomach, oral cavity, larynx or pharynx, and esophagus. Many of the animal cell culture and human studies have also suggested that vitamin C has a protective role in cancer. Anemia is one of the most serious nutrient-related public health problem which results in poor growth, impaired psychomotor development and reduced physical performance, and also decreased cognitive function. Vegetarians and individuals who consume little meat and animal products are at risk of iron deficiency. Vitamin C help to improve non-heme iron absorption, which help in improving blood iron levels. Or we may say that consuming citrus fruits rich in vitamin C can help prevent anemia and its devastating consequences. Long-term intake of various foods are important to bone health, possibly because of their beneficial effect on their acid-base balance. Vitamin C intake has been associated with bone mineral density, but more work in this area is necessary to understand the mechanism of interaction. Vitamin C, as we all know now, is a major antioxidant, and that is present in airway surface liquid of the lungs also, where it is very important in protecting against oxidants. And studies have suggested that the diet low in vitamin C is a risk factor for asthma. So guys, don't wait, don't stop, start eating fresh fruits and vegetables, load your diet with vitamin C. 2 times Nobel Prize winner Linus Pauling has said that I have got to the point where I think we can get almost complete control of cardiovascular diseases, heart attacks and strokes by the proper use of vitamin C and lysine. It can prevent cardiovascular diseases and even cure it. So guys, as we know, health is wealth, so please maintain your health so that you can be wealthy for the rest of your life, and keep watching our videos and stay tuned with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe.